Hey guys, I'm excited about the tutorial we are going to be having today. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that we can connect our smartphone to our laptop, and our smartphone can also serve as a webcam on or for your laptop, and your smartphone can also be used as a remote control or remotely access your desktop. And finally, a lot of people have seen me project my smartphone screen via a projector. We are also going to see how you can project your smartphone on a projector. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Before we get started, I would like to say welcome to all the people that are watching my channel or my video for the first time. Of course, I have a drum roll welcome for you. If you'd like to join my community of people who are using their smartphones productively and profitably, then you need to hit the subscribe button down below, and just beside is the bell icon. Hit the bell icon so that you always be notified by YouTube whenever I release a fresh video. And if you're my returning viewer, you are also welcome. And of course, here is our own drum roll. Welcome back. So for everyone watching this video, the best way you appreciate videos on YouTube is just by hitting that like button and dropping a comment if you can, so that the algorithm can help share this video with more viewers on YouTube. So let's get started. So today we are looking at 3 awesome hacks that you can use to connect your smartphone to your laptop. So first off, we are going to start with the webcam. All right, so people have said, what's the need of using your smartphone as a webcam when laptops do come with a webcam like this one? All right, so and I said that this webcam right here is not as quality, it's not a quality camera that is on there. All right, except if you're the type that wouldn't mind any type of quality, being displayed on your social media pages. Maybe you are live streaming on YouTube or live streaming on Facebook or anywhere, and you don't mind the quality of the camera or the content you're putting out there, then it's fine to go ahead and use your laptop's camera. But when you use your smartphone's camera, smartphones are equipped with high megapixels, right, on them, that gives better quality pictures, all right, or videos during live streaming. So we're also going to check out how it looks like when you are using your laptop's camera as a webcam and when you use your smartphone's webcam as a webcam, right? Or you use your smartphone's camera as a webcam. So first off, you're going to download an application on either your Android or your iPhone, all right? So I'm going to go to my Play Store right now and get the application, okay? All right, so the name of this application is called Irion. All right, I hope I pronounced that well though. So Irion Webcam, all right, Irion Webcam. So you can download it. You can see Irion 4K Webcam for PC. All right, so once you download it, you can just install the application immediately, okay? And then we are now going to head over to our laptop, all right, and also download that of our laptop. So we are going to use all right, so the phone is ready, okay? For the phone is already ready. So right now, let's jump on our laptop and also download, get the laptop ready for using our smartphone as the webcam. All right, so we are on our laptop right now. So you're going to go to the website irion.com, okay? Then you're going to download the webcam depending on the OS of your PC. All right, so I'm using a Windows PC, so you can see you can also get it for the Mac or Ubuntu. All right, so I'm just going to download for the Windows. So I've already downloaded it and installed, okay, appropriately. Then I'm now going to open the software. All right, I'm going to open Arion on my PC. Okay, so as you can see, it says here turns your phone into a webcam, and then the instructions. Okay, it says Arion is running on your mobile phone, so make sure and then that the phone and the PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. All right, so I'm going to I had connected my hotspot, all right, on my PC's Wi-Fi. Okay, so next I'm now going to head over, all right, to my phone and complete the connection so that both of them can sync, and I would now be able to use my phone as a webcam. Okay, so I'm going to find the app Irelium. I've already installed. Okay, all right, so here it is. Okay, so it says install this, and I'm going to tap on don't show again. So I'm going to tap on continue. Already my my phone's Wi-Fi is already connected, or my phone's hotspot is already connected to my PC's Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm going to tap on continue right here. Okay, so while that is going on, I'm now going to tap on to allow Irelium to take pictures and videos. So I'm going to tap on only this time. All right, and then I'm also going to tap on only this time to allow the recording. Okay, so all right, so now you can see that both my phone and my PC has been connected, so I can now change and use the PC as my phone's computer as the webcam. So now let's try to go to Facebook. Okay, so now I'm going to try to go live on Facebook. All right, so this is live video. All right, so this is live video, so I'm going to tap on select to go live. All right, then next I'm going to tap on see. All right, so I'm going to select webcam right here. Okay, so over here it's going to ask select a media source. So you can see that it's already connected to my laptop's webcam. All right, so I'm going to use the phone to show you the light that is right over here. So you can see it's already connected to my laptop's webcam. So I'm going to tap on this button, and then I'm going to change it to Irelium. All right, so I'm going to change it to Irelium. So now it is going to what? It's going to connect to my phone's webcam. All right, so as you can see over here, is dark because nothing is actually showing, and you can see the quality of the video right now. So if it's in terms of trying to get a better HD video, all right, so it's always best that to use your phone, because remember that with your phone's camera, it has a better quality camera, like I already said, why it's better for you to use your phone as your webcam, except if you're the type that don't really care about quality when putting out content on social media. So you can see the quality of the video right on your screen, compared with if I was using my laptop's HD. It even called it HD webcam. Okay, so right now we are going to see my laptop's webcam. So this is my laptop's webcam, right? So this is my laptop's webcam. You can see the quality compared with if I was using my phone's HD. So this is why it's the Arion software, all right, is really an awesome software that you can use to connect your smartphone as a webcam on your PC. So on using your smartphone to access your computer remotely, okay, so what am I about to do? I'm going to go to my Play Store also, or you can go to your App Store as well, all right, and download this other application called Chrome Remote Desktop. So that's also what is called on your App Store. So once you upload or download and install it, you're going to open it up, All right, so when you open it up, you can see my computer. So the next thing you're going to do, first off, turn on my hotspot. All right, so that my laptop can connect to my phone's hotspot. To connect your laptop, you're going to go to remote. So you can see remotedesktop.google.com/access. Okay, so I'm going to tap on that. All right, so next you're going to have to do the setups that is going to be popping up. Okay, you can see install. All right, it says install Chrome. All right, so once I tap on this install, okay, then it installs. But because I've already installed mine, that is why you're seeing Movie Consult online. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do to now access my computer or my computer via my smartphone is I'm going to go to my smartphone right now. Okay, so just as you saw me download the application, right? So you've already downloaded the application first, so I'm going to tap on the Movie Consult, sorry. Okay, so it's connecting. As you can see, it's connecting. All right, it's actually connected already. Okay, so you can now see my full laptop, all right, on my desktop, sorry, on my smartphone. Okay, so just as you can see what is going on here, remote access, you can also see the same thing on my smartphone. So the question will now be, okay, so now that it's looking this way, I'm just going to use my two thumbs, all right, and compress it down. Okay, or I can go ahead and rotate the screen. Okay, I don't want to rotate it, so I can go ahead and rotate the screen. Okay, and then it now becomes landscape. Okay, then I can now access anything at all. All right, so I can actually access anything at all. All right, so let's go to let's go to my Facebook. Okay, so this is my Facebook. So let's go minimize this. So this is my desktop right now. Okay, so I can select any folder I want. So I'm just going to tap twice, okay, to select, open this entrepreneur what approach. Okay, so I'm going to open this document on my smartphone. Okay, and you can see that it is also being controlled right on my desktop, all right, on my PC. Okay, whatever thing I'm doing on my PC is also going to be done on my desktop. Okay, so you can see that we have access now, so I can just zoom it in, all right, to see what's going on. All right, so I can scroll down. Okay, I can just scroll down and so on. All right, so I hope this is awesome, right? Like when I discovered this, I was blown away, right? So you can also try to remote control or remote access your PC or your desktop or your laptop using your smartphone. Okay guys, so if you've really been enjoying all the 2 hacks that I've mentioned or taught you in this video, then you need to subscribe to this channel to appreciate all of this work I put in making these videos, and also hit that like button, very important, down below, and tell me on the comment section which of these hacks are you going to start using or is going to be very helpful, come very handy for you in your business. So finally, let's look at how you can project your smartphone, right? How you can project your smartphone on a projector. That is how you can cast your smartphone screen on a projector using still your PC. So first off, you would need to have this feature on your smartphone, and that is the cast screen feature. All right, I don't know what is going to be called on yours, but on mine it's actually called cast screen. So this particular button, all right, I'm going to tap on the cast button right now. Okay, So it says turn off hotspot. Sorry, so I'll need to turn off my hotspot. Okay, so I've tapped on the cast right now. Okay, so I'm going to tap agree. Okay, then I'm going to tap on, then I'm going to select and always allow. Okay, so I'm going to go to my app permissions. So I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi, and all right, so now it's going to be searching for devices near me. So now I'm going to move over to my desktop. Okay, so we're good now. So next I'm going to move over to this part of the menu here. Okay, then I'm going to select, sorry, try again. So I'm going to select connect. Okay, so I'm going to select connect. So depending on the type of laptop you're using, so you're going to see projecting to this PC. Okay, so I'm going to tap project to this PC. Okay, so I'm going to tap launch the connect app. All right, so now this is ready. So my phone also is going to find it right now. So this is ready. So my phone, this is actually the time I'm supposed to tap on the cat screen so that it can start searching for it right now that it's ready. So I think I may have to okay, it's found it already. Okay, so we have this. All right, so right about now everything on my smartphone will now be on my laptop. Okay, so whatever thing, so we have seen how I was able to control my laptop, all right, on my smartphone, and now I can also control my smartphone on my laptop. Okay, so I can actually drop this right now and move over and use the cursor here to start opening up anything I want to open right here. Okay, I can use my cursor and start controlling what my smartphone. All right, so this would have been good if you are using, if I was using a touch screen laptop, it would have been, you know, a lot better, right? It would have been a lot better. Okay, so right now that my smartphone and my laptop is connected, okay, I can access my smartphone on my laptop. The next thing is now to connect the projector. All right, so once I connect the projector, okay, whatever thing, of course you already know that whatever thing on the screen of the laptop will be projected to the screen. Okay, so by doing that, you can now take up your phone and start scrolling through. So you can swipe if you're sharing slides, or if you're teaching anything with your smartphone, it will be projected on the screen. All right, so this is how you can access or project, or yes, this is how you can project your smartphone on a projector screen. All right, I hope this was all helpful. Do support this channel by hitting the subscribe button down below and also hitting the like button down below so that the algorithm can share this video with more people. With this, I'll catch you on the next one. Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.